Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we are going to start with the second exercise of triangles. Okay, so the
Yes, sir.
question one is our find the unknown angles in the given figure. Okay, so what is the
Yes.
question? We have to find the unknown angles in the given question. Okay,
Yes.
let us see the first question. See, in the given triangle, in this triangle, only one angle is given
Yes, sir.
and two sides are equal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now first of all, tell me which type of triangle is it is?
Uh, Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle. If this is an isosceles triangle, then both the angles will be equal or not?
Equal. It
Equal.
will be.
It will be equal, na beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then how to do it? Let's do it. Let's find it. How to do it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First one. In the given triangle, how many angles are given? Three angles are given, na? 1,
Yes,
2,
sir.
and 3.
3. Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, we will just write it. The name of the triangle. What is the name of the triangle?
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle
Triangle.
is there. Therefore, both the base angles will be equal.
Yes.
See, these are the base. Base means niche ka. Okay.
Yes,
Base
sir.
means downstairs.
Yes, sir.
ये देखो दोनों एंगल नीचे है.
Yes, sir. Don't
That's why I wrote there base angles will be
Yes.
equal to each
other.
other. Okay. Now we can say angle 80 degree, then angle X, then angle
Y.
Y. Okay. We know this much
Yes.
only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me what will be the total of these three angles?
60 degree.
Hey, come on, man. 60 degree. Total, na?
And 180 degree.
180, na? It will be
Yes,
how
sir.
much?
180 degree.
Okay, then angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180.
180 degree.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
I have wrote wrong something. Tell me what I wrote wrong. Plus 80. Plus angle 80 degree. Angle, if you don't write, then also okay. Is equal to how much?
180 degree.
You're not paying attention, huh?
Yes.
Now tell me the next. What I will write here? See, we know that X plus we know that angle X is equal to angle Y. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We know na they both are equal.
Yes, sir. They both are equal.
So we can write angle,
Yes.
X plus X. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Can we write X plus X?
Sir, X plus Y.
No, beta na. That's why I wrote na over here. We prove it na that X is equal to Y. So in place of
Yes,
Y, I wrote X.
X. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
See, what we did, we proved that it is an isosceles triangle. That's why angle X is equal to angle Y. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in place of Y, also we wrote it as an angle X.
X. Yes, sir.
Is equal to how much? 180 degree.
180 degree.
Now tell me what is X plus X?
2x.
2x plus
80 degree.
180 degree minus 80 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But I will erase this plus. It will create confusion for you. Okay. Now tell me 2x how much? 2x is equal to 180 minus 80.
180 minus 80, 1 degree. 100 degree.
1 degree,
100 degree, sir.
100 degree. Okay. So your x will be 100.
100 divided by 2.
Perfect. So x is equal to how much?
50 degree.
Shabash. Today you are informed. X is equal to,
50 degree.
so your angle x will become how much?
50 degree. And angle Y will become 50 degree.
50 degree. Shabash beta. Come on, write it down. Recording. Okay. This is 90 degree and they have given us this side is equal to this side.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me which angles will be equal to each other.
B and C, sir.
B and C will be equal to each other. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. We know that always if one angle is 90 degree, if one angle is 90 degree, then the
Yes, sir.
remaining angles will be
45 degree.
Shabash, you are right. Okay, you are going right. So this angle will be also be 45 degree
Yes.
and this angle will also be
45 degree.
because it is a isosceles right triangle. Okay.
Right triangle. Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Shabash. Now tell me another thing. Come to question number 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See,
Yes, sir.
we know that it is an isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle or no?
Yes, sir. It is isosceles triangle.
You can find A and B.
Yes, sir.
How? The similar way we did it over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have 5 minutes of time
Yes, sir.
and you have to tell me the measurement of angle A and angle B. The same
Yes, sir.
question, only the triangle is different. Tell me
Yes,
the
sir.
measurement of angle A and B. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come on. Do it. Come on. So, in question number 5, now we will go through the question number 5.
Yes, sir.
You can see one external angle is given. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And what they have asked us to find unknown angles. And we have to find this P.
Yes, sir.
So how we can find it is, see, first of all, we have to understand the diagram. Once you came
Yes.
to know the diagram, you can easily write the solutions. Okay.
Yeah.
So first, this is an isosceles triangle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So by this, we can get this angle easily. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me, what will be the measurement of this angle?
1 minute, sir. One hundred and
114,
14.
14.
Yes, sir.
No, beta.
Sir, 266.
How much?
266.
No, 220, 262. It is impossible. What you did, 180 minus 86, na beta?
Yes, sir. 180 minus 86, 114.
114.
Yes, sir.
No. It will be 94.
Yes, sir. 94.
How much?
94 degree.
94. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this will be 94.
Yes, sir.
And we know that we can find these two angles easily.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We can find it out, na?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, if you can find it out this angle, then you can also find this angle easily.
Yes, sir.
Once you came to know this angle, then this angle will be easy to you.
Yes, sir.
You can do it.
Yes, sir. I can do
You
it.
have to do it and you have to show me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Come to question number 6. In question number
Yes.
6, first what you have to do? First you have to name the diagrams. A, B, C and D. Okay?
Yes.
How many triangles you can see in this figure?
Sir, 2.
How many?
2.
2 triangles are given in
Yes.
this figure.
Figure.
So, I will do this sum for you.
Yes, sir.
So, your triangle is something like this, right? This one is there.
Yes, sir.
Like this it is there, na?
Yes, sir.
And they have said this is equal to this. Okay. And
Yes.
what is the name over here? What with the name we have given? This is 60 degree. And
Yes, sir. 60 degree and N
35 degree.
degree. N and N.
Wait a minute.
Yes, sir.
We'll draw a little bigger one.
Sixty degree 35.
Here it is
M.
M.
Yes, sir. M.
Okay. And
N.
N over here.
Yes.
Small n. Okay. We named it as A, B, C, and D. Okay.
D. Yes, sir.
In the given figure, there are 2 triangles. How many triangles are there?
2 triangles.
Name them. Triangle A,
A,
B,
B, and C,
A, B, and C.
and A, triangle A, C, and D.
Triangle A, C, and D.
Yes,
There are
sir.
3 triangles, and the third triangle is triangle A, B, and D. The whole bigger one.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us consider. Let us consider triangle A, C, D. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
ACD. This one. You can
Yes,
see it
sir.
better.
Yes, sir. I can see it.
Yeah. So they have given us this, both sides are equal to each other. We know
Yes, sir.
AC is equal to CD.
CD.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, angle CAD will be equal to this angle. This angle will be equal to
CAD
CAD will be equal to
CAD will be equal to ABC.
A
BC.
BC.
Sir, ACD.
No. This angle will be equal to which angle? If these sides are equal, then this
Yes, sir.
angle will be equal to which angle?
C and D.
ACD na beta.
ACD.
ADC.
ADC. Okay, sir.
Angle
Oh,
ADC. See, these two are the what we say equal sides.
yes, sir.
Then this triangle is isosceles triangle.
Yes, sir.
The opposite side of this will be opposite angles will be equal to each other, na?
Yes, sir.
That was I was telling you. Okay. So your
Yes, sir.
angle M will become
Angle M will become 35 degree.
35 degree.
Degree.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pakka wala?
Pakka, sir.
Pakka.
Pakka.
Shall we move further?
Yes, sir.
Next, what they have asked us to do, they have told us to find n also, na?
Yes, sir. And
See, what will be the measurement of this total angle? The sum of these two angles, right?
yes, sir.
Pakka?
The sum of yes, sir.
See, this
Yes, sir.
total, na?
Yes, sir. Total.
So what will be to come? 60 plus?
60 plus 35 degree.
Then what is the answer? 60 plus 35?
60 plus 35. 35. 95 degree.
95 degree. Okay. Now, first
Yes.
tell me which triangle we will consider now.
So both the triangle.
No. Both the triangles means one big triangle, na?
Yes, sir.
So which is the bigger triangle?
A, B, and D.
Now let us consider. Let us take triangle
A, B, and D.
ABD, where angle A is equal to how much?
A is equal to 95 degree.
95 degree. Angle D is equal to?
Angle B is equal to N.
Huh?
N.
A. Angle D, beta. Angle D. M.
Angle-
What is the value of angle M?
Angle M is equal to 35 degree.
So angle D will also become 35, na? See?
Yes, sir.
Same, na?
Yes, sir. Angle D.
So angle D will be
35 degree.
35 degree. And what is angle B, beta?
Angle B is N.
N.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, what will be the total of these three?
180 degree.
We have to do this. We have to make an equation. 95 degree plus 35 degree plus N is equal to 180 degree. And further, you have to solve it. I will not solve for you.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the final answer. What will be the measurement of angle N?
Measurement of N.
Come on, you do it by yourself. Try it.
Degree.
You wrote the complete question. From here you wrote, na?
Sir, from where?
From here.
Yes, sir.
So N is equal to how much? 50?
50 degree.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
The last question. I will not do it. You have to do it by yourself. I will only tell you this. See, this is a parallel line. They have given that these two lines are parallel to each other. If this is 60 degree, then this will also be
60 degree.
okay. Now, once you got this 60 degree, we know that what we know.
Both the sides are equal.
So you can find them easily.
Yes, sir.
If you can find this angle, then you can find this angle as well.
Yes, sir.
So you can do it by self.
Yes, I can do it by myself.
Pakka wala?
Pakka, sir.
Okay, then do it. Not now. Homework.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Question number 2.
Yes, sir.
What they have read out the question for me, beta.
Apply the properties of isosceles and
Equilateral.
equilateral triangle of find the unknown angle in the given figures.
Okay, what they have told us, they have told us to apply isosceles triangles, equilateral triangles properties, and find the unknown angles given in the figure. So we have to use the properties and we have to tell the answers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, let's do the question number 1. A, B, C, and D. How many triangles are there?
3 triangles.
3 triangles are there. Okay. Now tell me if these two sides are equal
Yes.
and this is 70 degree, and what will be this angle?
70 degree.
70 degree. If these two are 70, then what will be this angle?
Same, sir. 70 degree.
Okay, no, man. If you add it, it will become 220 or 210.
Yes, sir.
Then tell me what will be the measurement of angle
X.
X. See, we know that this is a triangle.
Yes, sir.
We know this 70, this is also 70.
Yes, sir.
And what are the measurement of, what is the sum of the measurement of triangles,
180.
angle of a triangle?
180 degree.
180. So just simply what we have to do, we have to subtract 180 minus 140.
40. Yes, sir.
So what will be the answer? 180 minus 140.
180 minus 140. 40 degree.
40 degree. So X will become 40 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Pakka wala.
Pakka, sir.
So you find out the value of X. Till any,
Yes.
do you have any doubt till now?
No, sir.
Okay. Now next point is what we have to do. Now tell me if this is X, this is 40. You got the value of X.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the second triangle, see in this we have to find the value of Y.
Yes, sir.
Can you find out the value of Y?
Value of y. Yes, sir.
How?
Mm, 180. Um, $180 minus 70.
If you do 180 minus 70, you will get this angle.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
you do 180 minus 70, which angle will you get?
This next to y.
See, C1. Actually,
sir.
his name is C. You will get
Yeah.
angle C.
C.
Okay, AC, B1, this angle you will get. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But you know, they have given us, this is also isosceles triangle. This is also,
Isosceles triangle.
if this is an isosceles triangle, then this both angle will be equal to each other.
Yes, sir.
So you can consider this also as a Y.
Yes, sir.
So same way in question number 1, we did it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You do
Same.
same method. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do it by your own self. Okay. Now you have 5 minutes of time. It's 6:38. You have 5 minutes of time. Take your time and do it by your own self. Okay.
Sir, y and y, if we take both, no, sir, it will become 180 2y, and c is what?
See. Listen. What will be this angle?
70 degree.
70 degree. Till
Yes,
here you have any kind of doubt?
No, sir.
If these both are 70, then what will be this angle?
That will be 40 degree.
40 degree. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Now, how to find? See, this is one line. In one line, two angles are formed.
Yes, sir.
So if this is 70, and what will be the measurement of this angle? 180 minus 70, na beta?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what.
T minus 70.
केले?
110.
Lock पण केले. 110.
Yes, sir.
If this is 110, then you can find it out, na beta now.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Now try it and tell me the value of y.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So finished.
Done, beta?
Yes, sir. Y is equal to 35 degree.
Easy. Okay. Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Pakka wala, no doubt.
Pakka, sir.
Chalo, shabash. Shall we move further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, the next diagram is quite confusing for you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you see directly, you will get confused. What will happen? You will get
Confused.
confused. Now, I will tell you what the diagram is actually. It is a diamond shape, no?
Yes.
This is diagram.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They have given this is 100 degree, right?
Yes, sir. 100 degree.
And they have said this is a equilateral triangle.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry, this is a isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
And this is a equilateral triangle.
Equilateral. Yes, sir.
Okay. And what they have asked us to do, they have asked us to find this complete angle.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the measurement of this diagram? A, name, B, C, and D. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we know that triangle BCD is equilateral triangle.
Yes, sir.
It is a equilateral triangle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. So here we are marked wrong.
Which one, beta?
Sir, 100 is 1. 100 we have.
They
one
lines. Okay, they are just lines. No problem. Okay, if you want, I can change it. What it
Okay.
means now, I will tell you. See, this is a confusing. See what it is now. This one line, it shows that if this is also one line and this is also one line, it means these are equal.
Yes.
If you draw
Okay.
these two and these two, and here also two, it shows that these three lines are equal to each other.
Yes, sir.
If I make it now, if I make it this, if I remove these two lines and make it only one line, now this line will be equal to these two lines.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
that's why
Yes.
line doesn't matter. Okay,
Okay, sir.
what the thing is, which side is equal to which side, that is the important part.
Yes, sir. Okay.
If this is an equilateral triangle, now tell me what is the measurement of what is the measurement of each angle in an equilateral triangle? What is the measurement of each angle in an equilateral triangle?
180 degree.
Each.
Each 60 degree.
So this will become 60 degree. This will become 60
Yes, sir.
degree, and this will also become 60
60
degree.
degree.
Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir. No, sir.
पक्का वाला
Pakka, sir.
लॉक कर दूं?
हाँ, sir. Lock कर दो.
Now tell me, if this is an isosceles triangle and this is also isosceles, if this is an isosceles triangle and this both the sides are equal, then can I
Yes.
say that this angle will be equal to this angle?
Yes, sir.
पक्का वाला?
Pakka, sir.
And this is 100 degree.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what will be the measurement of these two angles?
180. $80.
You are telling total. Tell me individually, na?
Individually, yes, sir. So 40 degree.
40 degree. Okay. So
Yes,
this
sir.
will be
40 degree.
40 degree and
Yes,
40
sir.
degree. Now tell
Yes.
me, they have asked us this angle is X angle and this is Y angle. Those
Yes,
total
sir.
angle. Now tell me
Yes,
the
sir.
measurement of X and Y.
X and Y. Sir, X and Y will be the same.
Same, I know, but what will be the measurement, beta?
Yes, sir. Okay.
We know that both are same because 60-40, 60-40. But
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, what will be the measurement of X and Y?
Sir, 100 degree.
100 degree, na?
Yes, sir.
So, any doubt in the second
No,
question?
No, sir.
Can you
Understood.
do it by yourself?
Yes, sir. I can do it.
पक्का वाला
Pakka, sir.
लॉक कर दो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Coming to the question number 3. Question number 3 now. Come on, tell me, how can we do it? Use some brain of your, take 2 minutes of time. Recording. See, I will just start it once again. It will be helpful for you only. See, you
Yes.
can, this is 60. Wait, I will erase everything. This is 60 degree.
Yes, sir.
Head shape angle. That's why it is also a 60 degree.
60 degree.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What will be this measurement of this angle?
50 degree.
50 degree. And what will be the measurement of this angle? You can find it out. Just tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
We will add them and subtract with 180. You will get value of X.
Yes, sir.
Once you got the value of X, we know that, see, if this is a single line, on single line, n numbers of angles are made. How many angles are made? Many angles are
And-
made. Many angles. Like
Yes, sir.
on this single line, how many angles are made?
Many angles.
Three angles are there now. 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, sir.
60,
1, 2.
X and Y.
Yes, sir.
But the total of this angle will be
Which angle, sir?
this whole
180 degree.
180 degree. So what you will do? You will 60 plus X plus Y. First tell me
Yes.
the value of X. Come on, tell me quick.
Yes, sir. Sir, 20 degree.
20 degree?
Yes, sir.
Hey, come on. How 20 degree? 60 plus 50?
160 degree.
Hey,
Sorry, sir. 110 degree. 180. 70 degree, sir.
how much?
70 degree.
70 degree.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the angle Y?
Angle Y will be
Listen na beta, listen. See, this
Yes,
is a
sir.
Z shape angle.
yes, sir.
See, this is a Z shape angle.
Yes, sir.
So this is 50, then this will also be
50 degree.
how much?
50 degree.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
If this is a 60, if this was 60, we consider this as a Z shape angle.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
This is 60, then this will also be
60 degree.
this will 50 degree. Re beta, if this is 50, then this will 50.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After
Yes.
the completion of triangle chapter, we will go for the parallel lines. I will take 2-3 extra lectures of parallel lines
Okay.
because many concepts of parallel lines are being used in your chapters. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I will teach you that also first.
Yes, sir.
I thought that your parallel lines is completed, but you are not aware with the parallel lines. So we will go through the parallel lines also.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes,
Question
sir.
number 6. Easy. It is also an easy problem. Okay. See,
Yes.
this is an equilateral triangle.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, this is isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, na?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
this is also isosceles triangle.
Yes, sir.
But can you see some difference?
Sir, there is 90 degree.
There is 90 degree. Shabash. You are the brilliant one. There is
90 degree.
90 degree. Now tell me, if this is 90 degree, if this is 90 degree, then
Yes.
what will be the measurement of these two angles, beta?
45 degree.
Shabash. You are genius. This will also be
45 degree.
so angle YB is equal to 45
45 degree.
degree. Okay. If this is 30 degree,
Yes.
what will the measurement of these two angles now? Come on, find it
30
and tell me out. Find it out and tell me. It is isosceles triangle, huh, beta? Isosceles triangle के दोनों से angle equal होते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me.
So 150 degree.
How much?
150.
150 degree. Hey,
Yes,
you are
sir.
telling me addition, na? Tell me individually.
Yes, sir. So 45 degree.
I will give you fight now. Listen. You're doing something wrong. I will tell you. A, B, C, and D. Okay. We know that this angle and this angle. Let us consider this angle as a. Let us consider this angle as A because X is already there. Let us consider this as a A.
Yes.
A. If this is A, this will also be A.
Yes, sir.
A. Now tell me the measurements 30 degree plus A degree plus A degree
Eight.
is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
how much?
180 degree.
180 degree.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me 30 degree will go there.
Yes, sir.
A
2A
degree plus
is
A
equal
degree. 2A is equal to 180
equal to
degree
180 degree minus 30 degree.
minus 30 degree.
30 degree.
So A is equal to,
150 degree.
sorry, 2A. So now A will be 150 degree divided
150
by
degree. 2.
2.
Yes, sir.
Now A
I
will be
didn't
how
do
much?
division.
A will
I
be,
didn't do division. A will be
what mistake you did? Just check it that also.
yes, sir. I didn't do division.
Tell me now after division, what will be the answer?
Yes, sir. I'll tell you. So 75 degree.
75 degree. So your A is 75 and this A is also 75 degree. Okay.
Yes.
Now
Yes,
tell
sir.
me what will be the measurement of this angle, X angle, EX angle. What is the measurement of X angle? The X is completely this angle.
Yes, sir.
Now what will be the measurement of X?
Yes, sir. So 65 degree.
We have to add them, na beta. 75 plus 45. 75
Yes,
plus 45.
115.
100 and
15 degree.
then why you told me 75 or 65? What was that answer?
65 degree.
Why you told me that one?
I did subtraction.
Are why? Just add it, na simply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't make it
Yes, sir.
confusing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Come, question number 5.
Yes, sir.
We will complete till question number 6 and then we will conclude it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question number 5. What you can see here is it is simple only, not that difficult. They have said that these
Yes.
two are equal to each other and this is 40 degree.
Yes, sir.
So can you find out this angle?
Both are equal. It will be
If this is 40
1
degree, then
Yes,
this
sir.
both will be 140 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 140 degree.
Divide by 2.
Yes, sir.
140 divided by 2.
140 divided by 2, 70 degree.
Perfect. Perfect. Tell me.
70 degree.
70 degree. 70 degree. And this will also become 70.
70 degree.
Now tell me the measurement of x and y.
X and Y. So both will be equal.
Equal only, but what will be the measurement?
Yes, sir.
If you will find out x, then x will be equal to y. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the measurement of x first. X or y, whatever you want, you tell me that.
Yes, sir.
The other one will be same as the other person, other angle.
Yes, sir. 110 degree.
So angle x is also 110 degree,
110.
and angle y is also 100 and
Yes, sir. 10 degree.
perfect.
Yes, sir.
Listen. And another simple only.
Yes.
In this diagram, A, B, C, and D
Yes.
are the major name of the triangle, or whatever you call it. The triangle, big triangle, included small triangles. There are 3 triangles, okay, in this triangles.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What they have first told, this external angle is 120 degree.
Yes, sir.
And we have to find out x, y, x,
Equal.
y, and z.
Yes.
So can you tell me these two are
Equal.
equal? So
Yes, sir.
triangle A, B, C is isosceles triangle.
Yes, sir.
So the opposite sides will be equal, opposite angles will also be equal to each other.
Yes, sir.
Pakka wala?
Pakka, sir.
Can you find out angle B, this angle B? Can you find it out, this one, for me?
Yes, sir.
How will you find it? Just tell me, how will you find it out?
120 minus 180.
180 minus 120 it is.
180 minus 120.
So what will be the answer?
180 minus 120. 60 degree.
60 degree. So this will become 60 degree.
Yes, sir.
And we know that this angle is equal to each other.
Equal. Both A, B and C will become 60 degree.
60 degree.
Yes, sir.
Can you find out x?
X. Yes, sir. 60 plus 60. $120 degree.
We'll do subtraction.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. So, but 180 is 120 is it is coming.
60 plus x is equal to 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
60 plus 60.
60 plus 60, 120.
120 plus x is equal to 180 degree.
180. Yes, sir.
You will take 120 over here. So it will become
Yes.
x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree.
Yes,
So
sir.
x is equal to 180 minus 120. 180 minus 120. 0, 0, 0. 8 minus 2.
8 minus 6.
6. 1 minus
60
1. 0. So answer will be
60
60
degree.
degree.
Yes, sir.
Hatke dein tula. Okay. So x will be 60
60
degree. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
come here. Come back to the y.
Yes, sir.
y को बुरा लगेगा, x मिल गया तो y को बुरा लगेगा तो y ढूंढते, ठीक है? Now
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, these are linear. Say.
Z, even Z will be the same.
Z will be
The same 60 degree only.
no. We have to find it out. How to find it? I will tell you now.
Okay.
Okay. Now tell me
Yes.
what will be the measurement of y? If
Y.
this is 60, then what will be the measurement of y?
Yes, sir. One. So 60.
How much?
60 degree.
What will be the total angle?
180 degree.
So simply what you have to do, 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60, how much?
So 180 minus 60. 120 degree.
So it will be 120
120
degree.
degree. Yes.
Now, if this is 120 degree, this is 25 degree. Now, what will be the measurement of x? 120 plus
Minus
25 plus
20.
z is equal to
Plus
180
Z.
degree.
Yes, sir.
So 125, 20 plus 25, how much?
20 plus 25, 45 plus 145.
145 plus
Plus
z is equal to 180 degree.
Yes, sir. Z is equal to,
1 minute. Huh?
yes, sir.
Arey yaar. I click on the wrong something. Wait a second, beta.
Yes, sir.
Huh. $180 degree. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So your z is equal to 180 degree minus 145 degree.
180. Yes,
Your
sir.
z is equal to 180 minus what? 45.
180 minus 145. 5, 7, 3, 35 degrees, sir.
So this will be 35.
35 degree.
Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir. No, sir.
Okay. So how many questions are there for you to homework? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 13 questions are there. Are bapre, miss. We have done this one in the class and all others are for homework. So best
Yes,
of luck.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to do it and show me by tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
We are almost, it's almost 7:10. You also go, you have any other lecture today?
No, sir.
Okay, now you can, free time?
Yes, sir. Free.
Okay. Chalo. Bye bye. Wait, I will just give me 1 second. Huh?
Yes, sir.